This outfit is actually giving if Piltover got Zara. The levels of autism happening in this room is actually... Scientists are scared. Genius has struck me. Because she loves her low-waisted stuff, doesn't she? 90% leg outfit.
Boom shakalaka! Yes, God!
Yeah, that scene plays in my mind quite a few times a day, so maybe we should channel that. Sorry, not even Piltover's finest can make me wear skinny jeans. And I love her ponytail.
Blah, blah, blah. Proper name, place name, backstory stuff.
Yeah, it was bad. Let's see if I butcher this outfit. You just say it's great, even if you hate it. Obviously love Jayce and Viktor a normal amount. What the fuck? It's so doomed! Sorry, let me just get my giant hammer. Like, I'm not gonna do that. Hi, if you're like me and have been absolutely obsessed with Arcane recently, I thought, why don't I do some Arcane-inspired outfits so that I and you, so that we... It's not my cane, it's your cane, it's Arcane. Can dress like our favorite characters subtly without anyone knowing. Today, we are gonna do Jinx, Violet, Caitlyn, Ekko, Jayce, and Viktor. I really wanted to do Mel, but I own like nothing gold. Okay, let's just get straight into it. Oh, also I have the plaits because I'm trying to combine like a bunch of her different looks. The general vibe of all of these is that I'm trying to give off the essence of the character. I'm not trying to do a closet cosplay, but it's gonna be a challenge and I'm gonna try and I think I can do it. Think of it as like Disney bounding, Disney bounding Arcane characters. Her main thing, I think, other than her blue hair, is her crop top. Now, I have this perfect top because it literally has the shape. Do you see what I'm saying? But obviously hers has the X on the front and it's got like straps and cutouts, but I've been way too mask recently to do something like this. We're not gonna do that today. I still want to give that vibe. I do have this top, I think, that has this like wraparound thing. I don't have stripy trousers. You know her little stripy trousers? That's so cute. Like cargo trousers might work. Hey, but I need blue somehow. Okay, wait. I have an idea. Genius has struck me. What if? So I have this, which is like the blue that I'm looking for. And then I have this one, which has like the strings that I was talking about. What if I just put the two on top of each other? I'm lost. I'm lost. The blue will like peek through and then the straps can wrap around. I'm seeing this vision. You guys need to be patient and believe in me. I'm just gonna get all of my belts out because I feel like all of it is gonna be useful. Oh my god, and I have these I have these arm warmers I made. I saw someone wearing a belt around their chest. In the art book, she wears her belt around her chest as a top. But what I'm talking about is putting the belt underneath so it's like the bottom of the vest. Bear with me. Some magic is gonna happen here. I just know it. Okay, my cargos are actually over here. These dickies that I got from a car boot sale. Okay, wait, actually, this belt is perfect. Look at these details. Are you kidding? Are you kidding? That's so sick. These aren't pink, but to kind of bring back the pink, I'm gonna try this on. Okay. Yo. I think this works. Pull the waist down a bit because she loves her low-waisted stuff, doesn't she? Yeah, she does. Okay. I mean, kapow. I added the harness on the side. My arm is kind of, let's just say it's my muscles bulging out. Sure. Also, I thought we should add a jacket, but this is kind of like, you know, when she's like... But yeah, I think it looks cool. If I had more blue stuff, I feel like it would give Jinx a bit more. I feel like the essence is kind of covered. A little bit. By the way, this is what I was talking about with the belt. Do you see what I'm saying? I really like it. Let's see who's next. I'm gonna do Caitlyn next because... Why the freak not? And then we can do her girlfriend after. First off, I'm not doing the frilly. She's femme. I love her for that. It's hot on her. We don't need to see me in that. I'm gonna go for like her 90% leg outfit. Do you know what I mean? High-waisted, the like kind of waistcoat thing. Anyone know what I'm talking about? There's a scene where she goes like, she like pulls the waistcoat down. She dusts herself off when she gets up or something. Yeah, that scene plays in my mind quite a few times a day, so maybe we should channel that. I think I have a waistcoat. I mainly picked her to do this because I have this perfect jacket, but it's kind of giving Vi because it's a cropped jacket. Okay, hold on. I'll show you. Here is the waistcoat I was talking about. It's like velvety. This is the jacket I was talking about. I think I wore it for Rose Tyler inspired outfit, which by the way, a lot of people was telling me that they want my Doctor Who spreadsheet. Genuinely, if we hit 10K, because by the way, we're so close. What the hell? Thanks guys. I will do a Mike's Mike / Ted Nivison style video of me watching every single episode of Doctor Who from 2005 onwards. 185 episodes, all of it. Do like an unhinged recap, that kind of vibe. I know about 5 people will want it, but I will put my heart and soul into that video. Promise. Promise. Anyway, back to the jacket. You know when she's like in season 1, so I feel like it still is appropriate. If I get like a pair of high-waisted black jeans, I don't own skinny jeans. Sorry, not even Piltover's finest can make me wear skinny jeans. But with that and this, and then maybe just like a black long sleeve, that might look okay, maybe. But the thing is, she has this like high neck situation, but I'm low-key thinking that maybe just a white turtleneck will give that kind of same vibe. I think surely that would work. Does that look like the essence of Caitlyn? We'll see. Okay, I did the ponytail, and I love her ponytail. It's her clip.
Blah blah blah. Proper name, place name, backstory stuff.
Yeah, it was bad. I've got a little waistcoat poking out. I think the high neck does work. I think I did an alright job, but I feel like you can tell who I am. Maybe. If I told you it's an Arcane character, you'd be like, oh, it's Caitlyn. At least I think so. We want to do Violet next. For this, I don't own a red crop jacket. It's actually a crime against the world. I don't know how I don't, but I don't. But I do have a grey crop jacket. So I'm thinking, hold on, walk with me here. How about we combine her like emo, angry oil slick and season 1 together? This could work. Let me get that thing that I'm talking about. This is the jacket I'm on about, but this underneath, do I have a leather jacket? Surely I do. I think my mum does. Hold on. Okay. Maybe if I put these two together, I'm not about to unsafely bind my chest, but I do have vests and a regular binder, so I'll probably just do that. If I grab these two, put them together under there. Are you seeing this? She just wears black trousers. I might have to nick. Oh my god, they're so cute. Couple girls wearing the same trousers. Oh my god, they share clothes. Yeah, I'm probably just gonna wear Caitlyn's trousers as well. Now let's see what that looks like on. Let's try it on. This is kind of giving. Are you seeing the vision? It looks a teeny bit strange. Does she roll her things up? I think she does. Oh, wait. Like it's kind of working. Well, yes. This is for me. This is personal. Okay, next, I want to do Ekko because I genuinely think Ekko might be my favorite character. Obviously, I have favorite pairings and storylines, but I think that Ekko is my favorite character. Morals, design, abilities, willpower. I think he low-key kind of solos everyone. I do obviously love the lesbians and also obviously love Jayce and Viktor a normal amount. What the fuck? That's so dude! If I love him solo more than the duos, I think that says a lot. I think he's just awesome. Let's see if I butcher this outfit. To start off with, he has like a whole pantaloon situation going on that I'm not gonna do. And also I'm tied between using these for his trousers because I don't have like an actual green khaki color. But to me, because of like the whole firelights thing, green is more his color, so I should wear green trousers, right? Because I have a pair. Okay, these are the green trousers. I think this will work. So there's that. I'm really annoyed because he literally has this like bandana. It's orange. I literally have an orange hood. I cannot find it anywhere, but I do have a red one. So I think I'll try this. If you just kind of like squint, but this might... Okay. He has this like kind of dungarees situation, but I think it'd be more fun if I layered and did the whole green trousers thing. What might work, I have a brown vest. I genuinely think this is like a little boy's thing. It's kind of not what he's wearing like at all, but I feel like this gives the vibe. I'm taking a lot of creative liberties with this one outfit. Something else, he has this cool belt thing. Are you seeing the vision? But what I do... Oh my god, wait. I could use my stopwatch as well. This is perfect. Oh my god, and I found this recently at a charity shop in Brighton. It's like the world's most perfect little brown mini bag. Maybe this, and then I'll bind with this as well. Am I holding Ekko in pieces right now? Maybe. Low-key, you need to just like believe in me. The orange thing that's not orange, I think it's kind of fine. What do you think? Can you just say it's great even if you hate it? Guys, you have 4 seconds to subscribe or else I'm gonna keep going back in time and one of us is gonna die. Ekko when he's exploring his gender identity? Let's just go to the next one. Should we do Viktor next? I really wanted to do Viktor like by the end. Okay, not when he's cosmically naked. I mean like, you know, when he's, yeah. I don't own anything navy blue. That could have been his little like cape. Actually, wait, that's a lie. I have this like blue slip dress. That would have been so funny. I want to go for his like uniform thingy. I think I have a sweater vest that would look really good. He's wearing a tie. Okay, look. That's already given. Are you kidding? I don't have a brown shirt. I do have a flannel that might work. This. It's not really the same thing. It's like, what's that tweet that's like the Shire got a Zara? This outfit is actually giving if Piltover got a Zara. Whatever. Maybe that will look fine. Show my grey jeans. Grey jeans. Is this glorious ovulation? What do you think? Let's try it on. Why am I literally him? Why am I literally him? Hold on, let me get a book. Someone kill me. Hello? Guys, I'm literally him. The levels of autism happening in this room is actually... Scientists are scared. I just did that bit holding my Doctor Who Part 2 notebook because I ran out of pages in my last one. Yeah, I think this kind of looks good. It's, again, giving if Piltover got a Zara. But, fine. Actually, this is all of the, like, modern day college AUs. I'm incriminating myself. But it's not the same thing. But again, we're Disney bounding Arcane outfits. So, who cares? Let's just do Jayce next. Do what? I am gonna do him in the black outfit just so it's some variation, and also because
Boom shakalaka! Yes, God!
I'll say it before and I'll say it again. Actually, let's just cut to when I said it.
If you think you love a male character, there is a lesbian out there that loves him more than you.
Right off the bat, I have a grey shirt. It's not black, and it doesn't have the same details. I'm genuinely just doing this outfit for me. I don't care if it's not accurate. Grey shirt. Here we are. And then just what, like, black trousers. Okay, I'm not gonna wear Caitlyn's trousers again. Okay, wait, I have these, which are, like, kind of giving. They do have a lace at the top, though. So not really the same thing. But why the freak not? Tucked in. And then, like, that's literally it, because who cares? Sorry, let me just get my giant hammer. Like, I'm not gonna do that. But that would be a fun one to end it on. See me. Okay, I fear this is, not giving the same thing at all. What the hell, sure. Editing Smidge is gonna work some magic. This is my legacy. This is my legacy, apparently. Cut to the outro, bruh. If you like the video, please make sure to give it a like. Tune in every Friday for a fashion video, and every Wednesday until Christmas for smidgezz Sims. If you haven't been watching it, please tune in. It's really funny. I'm totally not biased at all. And I'll see you next week. Bye-bye. Bye.